Hey guys, have you been looking for ways to get more traffic and you want to get unlimited leads with Facebook? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, and I'm going to show you a process that will verify every single lead that you actually get. And this is free traffic. You don't have to pay a penny for it. You don't even have to go and do paid ads. So this is all free traffic, and it is a way that you can actually follow up with people for free. So let's get into that right now. So basically, what we have is we have an extension that will go on your Chrome browser right here. So you open it up, and it opens up, and it tells you how many people that it send invites to, right? So this goes on your browser, and it will send out invites. The invites are already written, so you don't have to worry about it. It's written, and if people say they're open to seeing your opportunity, then you actually can ask for their email. When you ask for their email, then we take them through our process to verify that email. So what it does is it actually loads your Facebook friends' profiles, and then it will send them a message. Now, it only sends 10 messages per day, which keeps you under the radar with Facebook, so you will not get in trouble with Facebook. Your account will stay in good standing, and you don't have to worry about it being spammy or anything like that. So this actually will send out the messages, and it makes sure that the same people don't send out the same messages when they're using this tool, so you don't have to worry about that either, right? So these messages are spin text, which means it will spin the messages, and it will come out with a new variation of the message per everybody that you send a message to. So nobody will get the same message from you. And when they get the message and they say yes, then you're going to actually be able to ask them for their email, their best email to send information to. And then we suggest sending them over here to this page. And you can find this page by clicking on the link below this video. It's going to be the second link. This funnel right here, it will validate emails for you to make sure that you have clean emails, and it will give people more information about the system that I'm telling you about right now. So if you want to find out more information about the system, go to the second link below this video and put your information in. Make sure it is real contact information, or else the system will not let you in. But basically, that's how this works. Is you would use the tool, and it will send out messages to your Facebook friends right here. If I come back here and I go to this tool right here, it is a Chrome extension. So I pretty much have over 1,000 people loaded in here right now. It's going to send messages to those people, and then it helps you to have conversations with them. And if they say no, then you say, great, what are you working on? Or, what are you doing right now? Or whatever the case is. Or you just tell them that, you've been testing out a new software, and you're happy that they responded because it's working, right? So that's what you say when they say no. When they say yes, you just ask them for the best email to send information to, and then we give you instructions on how to actually, get them over to this page. And you're gonna actually have clean emails, and you don't need to set up this funnel. You don't need to set up, DKIM, SPF, or DMARC records. You don't need to set up the emails to go out. We have that all ready to go for you. And when you use this done for you system right here that we have, you get 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So this is a turnkey residual income system, and we give you 80% of every dollar that's made through this system. So we have it ready for you to go, and then you'll get free leads from Facebook by using this tool right here. So you can bring up this tool when it's in the browser just by clicking on the browser, and you want to have it running in the background so you don't have to worry about it. Just don't turn off your computer when you're using this tool. It loads all the people in here. So they're loaded right here, and I don't have it paused. You see it's active right now. So it's going to keep sending out invites for me in the background, right? So that's kind of how it works, right? So I don't have to do too much, and it's going to keep working for me. And that's the cool thing about it. And then whenever you get emails, we give you a specific way to actually do the follow-up. So this whole system is done and ready to go for you. And the tool is going to help you to get more sales. It's going to help you to talk to more people. It's going to help you to increase your results online. And especially using Facebook, you're going to have high quality leads that come into your system. And when you're using this system, you're going to have all clean leads, and then you'll be able to follow up with them. And then if you are building an email list already, you'll be able to take them over from the list that you have in here and bring them to your list, right? So it's a really cool way to get very high quality leads and high quality traffic without having to do anything, because you set this up and it runs on your browser and it works for you. Just don't shut off your computer and you'll be good, right? So if you want to learn more about the system, make sure you click on the second link below this video, put your information in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.